If you're like most people, you're probably always trying to do more in less time. And when it comes to managing your projects, communications, and tasks, it can be easy to become overwhelmed. That's why we're here to talk about Get Munch. This is an online tool that helps you manage all your projects in one place, saving you time and keeping you organized. With Get Munch, you can assign tasks to yourself or other team members, set deadlines, create reminders, and track progress in real time. You can even chat with your team within the platform, making communication easier and more efficient. But what really sets Get Munch apart is the fact that they truly care about their customers. The Get Munch team is always available to help and ensure that you're getting the most out of the platform. They listen to your feedback and continuously work to improve the user experience. So, if you're looking for an easier way to manage your projects, communications, and tasks, give Get Munch a try. With its intuitive interface, advanced features, and dedicated support team, you'll have everything you need to be productive and achieve your goals. Try it now and start doing more in less time.